Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, let me welcome you all to the 7th edition of annual Kwaluseni Elderly Food Hamper Donation hosted by Linek Enterprises and Liquor Eswatini. It has been a great honor and privilege over the years to host this event where Linek Enterprises, in partnership with our franchisor, supports the less privileged people of the community with food hampers to ensure that they have a delightful Christmas.
Sibaga Linak Investment, let's trader as OK Foods and OK Liquor, and also as a total lutse lapha endasi. Sinenfokoto enkulu namuhla kuba la eKwaluseni sitawuthula kudla kubo gogo. Siyathi ukuthi leti khathi leti wonke umuntu ufuna ukujabula, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthokoza. Siyakhumbula ke lokho ukuthi kukhona labafisile but emandla la kangavumi, more especially naba lasebakhulile lokhanzana nokuthi le emakhaya bahleli nebantwana labancane labashiwa nabatukulu babo labashiwa basababo ukuthi bababonele bona. So ukhanza kumlo mdzala sakahluphekile engcondweni ukuthi ngoba emandla akavumi naba nebatukulu beva bonke labatukulu labaleni bagijima babonisa ngayabo ukuthi ngikhisimisi sitabezilane ekhaya kutabe kwendekane ekhaya thina kambe ngabe sesitakucatandla ngidabazamela ini labatukulu bami. Kungako ke namhla ke sihlangane la sithi kulabo bogogo lapho sandla sisifishane khona sing okay ngoba siphila la kulomango sisebenza nalomango lomango kunguwo lo supportako sithi ka sithumele emuva nathi ukuthi nabo ababe nelithuba lokuthi sandla lesi bakwadi kubeka sandla kwenda sandla lesi emlomeni.
Today marks a momentous occasion as we gather here for the privilege of extending a helping hand to the revered elders, you sitting here with us today. Thank you very much. It's a time where we want to share and stand in solidarity with you. As you over the years exemplified yourselves with your presence as distinguished individuals from the various areas. I stand before you as a representative of the OK Franchise Division, deeply honored to be a part of this initiative. Today we are united by a shared commitment to supporting the elderly members of our community, recognizing the invaluable contributions you as the community, you as the elders have made throughout your lives. Thank you for that. As we distribute these parcels today, it is not merely providing sustenance to you. It is about acknowledging the wealth of wisdom and experience encapsulated in our seniors. In other words, that which you have brought forward over the years, you have brought this to where this is today. And we thank you for that. The OK Franchise team is privileged to play a role in ensuring that during these times, our elders do not face the burden of isolation, of hunger, separation.
Lokhulu lokhona lana kubonga ku OK Foods ngegenerosity laba ikhombisa eKwaluseni bashito lana bathi for the past 7 years solo bayabazamela bogogo nabomkhulu baseKwaluseni lokho kukhulu ngoba cishe ngibo bodwa laba zamela bogogo nabomkhulu eKwaluseni kusayide laba balandzelako lokho kusho ukuthi eKwaluseni bantu labane community in social responsibility ngiyona OK Foods lesi appreciate kakhulu lesitayiseka thina sibantu bala KwaLuseni lesitayi supporter ngiyabona ukuthi likhadi sebana likhadi la isitolo sebanalo nathi insha cishe si accommodated ki akusibo bogogo nabomkhulu kuphela OK Foods lebanakelelako kahle kahle shothi OK Foods sinakelela sonke
singene na kuyouth asigcini nje kuphela ngalabo abantu labadzala ibhola yala KwaLuseni promotional league la onke lama team lafaka KwaLuseni logoba nasembi kwakhe ahlangana adlale khona sakhetha ke ukuthi singabuki team yinye yalamangweni sakhetha ukuthi siwahlanganise sisponsorishe le league yala eKwaLuseni. So OK Foods KwaLuseni uyasponsorisha ke le league. I think sengomnyaka besi5 solo sisponsorisha le league yala Luseni. Kuyasita ke lokho nakubo bantwana kuyabagcina ukuthi baticeceshe sibonile imidlalo namuhla seyiprofession bantu sebayahola imali letishisako ngokudlala imidlalo. Lokunye futhi lesikubonile kuyabagcina labantwana bagcina baphilile kubakhiphe nasemikhubeni lemibi lesiyibona seyigcwele live lesiyentiwa youth yethu. Kuyasijabulisa ke lokho kakhulu. Thina-ke singi-okay benefit lesiyitfolile kuloko. Sibone kuvikeleka kwetitolo tethu. Sithe masifika lana bekumanenge ama-break-ins bebagcikeza titolo. Uthi kuphela liviki sebangene kulesi kuphela liviki sinele kucala lobudlalana kwethu lomshado wethu nale bhola nale youth. Siyacabanga ukuthi le live bese seliyahamba kwase kuyaphela vele enyalo ukuthi letolo tihlaseleke. Siyakuvumisa kakhulu ke lokho emangeni wase Kwaluseni.
Loko ndiwa okay Foods ke kukhulu kakhulu ngoba naku community development bayasizama labantu ngazizathu sekuthi mawubuka nje lesakhiwo lesilaceleni kwethu sisekhathi elokishini kukhulu lokho kithi ngoba into leti njena uyayithola emadolobheni kodwa okay Foods uthe yena no akathathe le business ayimixele ebantwini athi futhi noma sesimsupportile aphinze futhi abuye kithi kukhulu kakhulu kuningi lengakusho solo ngubonga okay Foods
nathi singumsunduza nje sesabamkhulu nga okay Foods lokuthi ukhethe lamalokishi kuyasijabulisa thina because most of the time emalokishini bangazithinza indzawo letinganakeki kanti wena kube sayikhetha ngoba ibaningi labantu emalokishini ekamsundo sibaningi nanga lapha eKwaluseni baningi naseliye ngobaningi kwethu ke kusuke assurishe lokuthi we will take care of the properties of the business. We will influence the communities. Ukuthi langabe kwendeka lo lesokwendekile emveni sakubona eveni bangasijabulisi sonke lapho sekuhlaseleka letakhiwo tabo okay Foods especially okay Foods ukuthi siba influence ukuthi ba protect ama structures because of the difference that we have brought to the areas. Lekithi nje labasebentako le okay Foods balemsuduza bonke uthi namunye bangephandle so lokho kuyasijabulisa because we've brought about employment to the area nala ngiyathemba ukuthi nakhona abasebenza lapha bakhona la Kwaluseni so local empowerment ufuna siyiprotect njengoba ingonyama ikhulumile ngespirit sangwe usase siphume esigijime sicethe bona uswede siyambona okay Foods wenda kona lokho lokwendako nje nakunika Bo Gogo ukudla. It's part of that spirit. It's part of that journey.
Asimbonge uNkulunkulu. Mana okay. Londa. Ungashona ilanga nasingalanzi umlando ukuthi inkosi uSobhuza wathini naqala lo muti. Ngakho ke anginabe ngikhuluma lokho sengisho ukuthi ngabe ngangibuthi nesikhathi ngalenye ndawo. Ngiyakutshela noma ngabe uyangenyanya awungenyanyi. Ngiyakutshela leqiniso ukuthi alikhanza lemabhukwini. Ngakho siyabonga bakunene Bo Gogo bonzanga yethu bomkhulu. Sitakudla kulo Christmas.
Ibonga nje kuba ingcenye yemsebenzi lomuhle lobusisekile. Bathi kuhle kunaka umuntu lo eswele. Kunokuthi uphakele umuntu lobheka ukuthi utakuphakela naye kusasa. Lapha siphakela umuntu lo ngeke akuphele kusasa shothi siphakela uNkulunkulu. Ngithi nje nami ngitomukela lo msebenzi sisifunza ukujabula kubona iOK Food iphindze ilula sandla ibiyele emuva kubantu. Lengathi nje ngakukhuthatha mina lokuncane kusho ukuthi iOK Food ayisiyo yalesicabanga ngabo laba lapha. iOK Food yethu thina sive sonke. Lokufanele ukuthi siyigathe siyiluse siyiprotecte ukuthi tokuchubeka isinike lama services leswadingako ngoba naye ingekho kukhona lokungashoda nyalo nje nake iyabuyisa ibise emuva nako konke nje imisebenzi lekhona ngiba ukuthi iyakhuthatheka ngiyabona litiko lelana kusho ukuthi lito ukhuthata ukuthi imisebenzi ayichubeke ngoba icashe abantu abethu icashe bomnakethu nasingayiyekela ilimale kuningi lokungasimalela eveni nemnotho usukuma khona lapho kwami nje kutomukela lo msebenzi ngetenganza kakhulu ngibonile sijikele endasi le kunele petrol station bengicela nayo sitayifaka la ekhathi ngoba kuthi nayo ufuna sisekele ngiyayibonga nje petrol station ngale ndasi ngoba ingasendleleni nami nasengikhaya seyithule lo mthwalo kulelinye igarage bese lisindwa kakhulu ngala and nayo nasingayisekeli ngede yafa bekunene mhlambe ngaba yekucala igarage libe ne Black Friday litawuqala ngayo nathi ngalisekela